Sergeant Kerry Schmidt.
Highway 403 westbound, express lanes right at Eglinton. Two pickup trucks right now spun out, involved in a collision.
Go Transit also reporting delays running on a special schedule that includes significant changes. That's just due to the conditions today. There are also some TTC route detours due to weather. Houston Airport still showing lots of delays and cancellations, so check your flight before you go to the airport. Reporting live at the Extreme Weather Center, Jamie Pulser, City News.
City News time.
I don't think these guys came here to
People who don't
clear
have
up
to drive
the
this
snow
morning
up
are
this road.
advised to work from home, but that is not. Braving the winter weather this
They look like
morning
they forgot to
joins us
clear
live from
this
Vaughan.
area.
Carl.
Well, the good
This area
news, road
still-
conditions are slowly starting to improve as snow
Pocket
clouds
snow.
play catch up. But for now, up here in Vaughan and elsewhere across the GTA, it's a difficult day for drivers.
It's very bad. Very bad. It's slippery.
I saw you coming here. Your tires are spinning. Too bad I'm not slippery, especially on side streets. Many haven't seen a plow yet.
That's terrible. Like, you can't get in or out of there. Cars are stuck.
The highways are better, but still, OPP Sergeant Kerry Schmidt says they've responded to
Still need to pay attention and drive with care.
The drivers are reminded to clear all the snow off their vehicles, including off the roof.
The sounds of scraping shovels are ringing out across the GTA this morning as the big dig begins. Our Kevin Meisner joins us live from East York with an eye on storm cleanup. Kevin.
Yeah, Catherine, the snow shovel was really starting to feel neglected anyway after being ignored for most of February, so let's consider this making up for lost time, unless you're lucky enough to have a snowblower this morning. A demise here near Pape and Mortimer this morning is only staring at 23 games left. Ronald says Ted's in the East holding the last playing spot. And Coach Dickner, so we got to make sure that we get in some form of fashion. And then just get better. The preferable landing spot in April would be 6th in a playoff spot proper. No play-ins. Games back to the mix. Is it doable? The Raiders' Kevin O'Connor on Sportsnet Central. They're quick to get that 7 or 8
It seems as though they've snowplowed came this way already, and still there's more snow on the roads. Likely they might have to come back later on and make a second clearing.
Game time against the Pelicans, 7:30. Simon Bennett.
You're watching Have a Nice Day, AJ.
Portion of the news is brought to you by
It's Thursday morning,
Canada. Did you know 1 in 5 Canadians
7:09,
we all deserve to live, laugh,
and the temperature is minus 5.
I've been treating mental health patients
cold
for
outside.
over 30 years, and I'm really excited to tell you about a recent breakthrough in science called
This morning going to be a slow drive into work.
the brain to help lift that heavy cloud of sadness without medication. To find out if it's right for you, I'd like to offer you a free consultation. Visit tmsofcanada.com. That's tmsofcanada.com.
Coming up in 60 seconds, traffic and weather together on the ones, including a collision northbound 404 north of the
The
401.
black stuff at the end. No, the black stuff.
Here's the CBC. An experience that will blow your mind, says the Toronto Star. Harry Potter and the Cursed Child at the CAA at Mirvish Theatre. Book at mirvish.com.
Time 7:11.
Traffic and weather together on the ones brought to you by your local Ontario Subaru dealers in the 680 traffic cruiser Jordan Kerr.
Drive carefully up there. We've had lots of little collisions all over the place. On the westbound 401, a couple of ramps closed or partially closed. The Bennett ramps to West 401 are blocked because of a crash. The Renton ramp to West 401 partially blocked. Several vehicles have spun out here. And still going from McCowan to the 404 ramps in both express and collectors because of an issue on the 404. I'll get to that in a moment. But in that backup, a road from Kennedy, the transfer to the collectors
Cut it off, please.
blocked. All because of
Cut off the cash.
Morning to lake effect activity may impact some areas, not all, and a little bit of sunshine for tomorrow too. Right now, dress for a wind chill minus 14. It's cloudy minus 8 degrees up here, so minus 7 at City News. Our guaranteed high this evening, 0.
getting to the highways can be a challenge this morning. Andrew lives in Caledon.
It was pretty bad. Couldn't even get out of my driveway or my road. Got stuck. Had to shovel myself out.
He's not the only one. The wintry mix of snow, ice pellets, and freezing rain has turned many a side street into a slalom course.
Cars were stuck already. Hopefully the plows can get out there quick.
The major routes are much better thanks to the snowplows making repeated passes, but OPC Sergeant Kerry Schmidt says highways are still snow-covered and slippery in a lot of spots.
But you still need to pay attention. Please be careful out there. Please drive safe and take care.
OPC has responded to about 160 crashes. The storm began. Looks like a lot of commuters had heeded the advice and stayed home. Reporting live up and drawn, Carl Haskell, City News.
Sitting at time 7:37, whether it's before work or it's calls or when you finally get home from the office, you got some shoveling to do. Our Kevin Meister joins us live from East York and Virginia.
Blocked up all because of the crash. It jammed up off the B&E from Yorkville. Continuing on the westbound 401, we had issues south of Pearson and the transfer to the collectors. We had this partially blocked off all because of a collision, and according to the MCO, checking out, yes, that collision is cleared away.
Zero, but we won't see that until this evening, and then scattered flurries through the overnight and tomorrow morning. Now, Wednesday was the snowiest day we've seen this year. 17.4 centimeters fell at Pearson, and that was before midnight. Well, scattered flurries could hang on until Tuesday. We're not looking at anything as significant as what we just experienced. Reporting live, Stephen Lee, City News.
This is City News. We now